Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to set up LDAP Authentication for the OpenFire instant messaging server. To get started, we need to stop the OpenFire service. Then open File Explorer and navigate to the OpenFire installation directory. Open the conf folder and edit the openfire.xml file. Scroll to the bottom of the page and change the value for setup to false, then save your changes. Next, navigate back to Services and start the OpenFire service. Next, open a web browser and navigate to the OpenFire admin URL. You should be greeted with the OpenFire setup as if the server hasn't been configured yet. Click the Continue button until you reach the Profile Settings setup, then select Directory Server LDAP and click Continue. Select the server type from the drop-down, then enter the LDAP URL to authenticate against. Then set the base DN and the administration DN and password. Once the form is complete, click the Test Settings button. If the test is successful, click Save and Continue. Review the user field mapping and adjust as needed, then click Save and Continue. Then review the group field mapping, adjust as needed, and save and continue. Next, we need to set a group name or username to act as OpenFire admins. Once the admins have been added, click Continue. Click the Login to the Admin Console button, then log in as an LDAP account that has been designated as an administrator. With OpenFire now configured to authenticate against LDAP, you should be able to open an XMPP client and log in using your LDAP credentials. In the OpenFire admin console, you can look at the users and group settings and see that it imported users and groups from LDAP.